Hey, Chris from CCC Technologies here. I'm a pre-sales engineer here at CCC Technologies and I use Excel constantly. So I want to share some tips with you. I'm going to go kind of fast, but it's a video, so you can always pause, slow down, back up, etc. This video is about the SumProduct function in Excel. I'm using Excel 2016, but it's in 2013 and I believe 2010 as well. And it's a really handy feature which I think people should really know about because you will probably use it at some time once you know it's there. So along the way, we're going to learn a couple other things. So here's a typical data set. I'm going to go kind of fast because I don't want to burn up too much time here. So I've got quantity, price, and then we'll just say, let's leave that blank for now. I want to put some random numbers down here. So the first function we're going to use is ran between, which probably you're not going to use this often, but I'm using it for the sake of just generating a lot of numbers fairly quickly. And let's go to 15, and this is for the quantity, and boom. I hit Control Enter to get that to populate all 12 rows that I selected there. Control C for copy, and we're not going to Control V, we're going to actually paste just the values. If I would have hit Control V, it would have populated the ran between formula, and it would be changing every time I click on something. So, or not click, but enter something. So now we're going to just put some random prices in here. We'll go 10 to 50. And yeah, I didn't select the whole thing, so now I got to do this. Okay, copy that, and let's put that same thing. Copy the values. All right, we got our quantities, we got our values. Now what I see people doing, and it's not a wrong thing to do, but it just takes a little longer to do it this way. We have extended price. If they want to calculate the total of this order, let's say this is an order, they would have to calculate for each line item the quantity times the price. And then you can select this and you can see the crosshairs there. You can double click and it's smart enough to know I want you to do that for every row. And then we can sum this up. So there's lots of different ways to do it. The fastest way is on the keyboard, hit Alt equals and then enter. And there's your sum. A much faster way than that would be not to do this whole third column at all. It's SumProduct. And it's asking for array 1. Array 1 is one of the columns. What it's going to do is going to take array 1, multiply it by array 2, which is what I'm doing right there. And then if I stop here, it's going to take array 1 times array 2 and sum them all up. And we should see the exact same 24, 21. Bam! There it is. And we can even add other columns if that's the case, if that's what we're going to do. But that is a lot faster. We can get rid of this whole column. We can spend our morning doing something else. That's especially useful if you have a lot of rows. If you have 1,000 rows, you don't want to have to do that. So SumProduct will get you there in a hurry, and it's actually got a lot of different uses once you start using it. So I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got some good tips. If you like this video, let us know, and we will put more up. Thank you, and have a great day.